Are you tired of your gazebo canopy tearing and ruining your outdoor experience? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you some effective ways to keep your gazebo canopy from tearing, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Protection against weather. The first line of defense against canopy tearing is choosing the right material. Opt for high-quality, weather-resistant materials that can withstand rain, wind, and sun exposure. Look for reinforced stitching and water and UV-resistant coatings. Materials like polyester, polyethylene, and vinyl are excellent choices. Proper maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial. Keep your canopy clean by washing it with a mild detergent, water, and a soft brush. Avoid abrasive scrubbing, as it can damage the fabric. Make sure it's completely dry before storing it to prevent mold and mildew growth. Optimal placement. Proper placement matters too. Follow the manufacturer's manual and ensure the ground is level. Choose a sheltered area away from harsh weather conditions, and natural windbreaks like trees and hedges can provide extra protection. Protection from UV radiation. Protect your canopy from UV radiation with materials designed for this purpose or use a UV-resistant spray. Outdoor curtains or sunshades can also help maintain your canopy's longevity and appearance. Keeping branches trimmed. If your gazebo is near trees or shrubs, regularly trim overhanging branches to prevent them from puncturing or scraping against the fabric. Consider installing netting during months of extreme foliage growth for added protection. Proper fastening. Install your canopy correctly to ensure stability. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the right method, tools, and fasteners. Proper tensioning is essential to prevent sagging and potential tearing during windy conditions. Regular inspection. Be proactive by creating an inspection schedule. Check your canopy at the start and end of each season, paying close attention to corners and stress points. Address issues promptly to prevent further damage. Repair small damages immediately. Don't ignore small damages. Invest in a canopy repair kit and fix tears or punctures promptly to prevent costly repairs down the road. Use additional support structure. In certain situations, use additional support structures like leg weights or anchors to enhance stability. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for secure fastening and remove them during calm weather to avoid unnecessary wear and tear. By following these effective tips, you can ensure your gazebo canopy remains tear-free, providing you with years of outdoor enjoyment. Don't let a torn canopy ruin your outdoor experience. Keep it in top shape with these simple steps. Subscribe our channel Ask Gazebo for more gazebo tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.